Okay fellas, hi, welcome back to my videos, and we have again the Milwaukee wrench that is not working. Where's the battery? Oh, here's the battery. And just sometimes working, sometimes not, so you know what it means. That means 200 euros repair, the controller unit. And yep, it is like it is with Milwaukee. Taking out the armature, we have a dirt here. The bearing looks not bad, here's not bad, but the armature itself is dirty, so that's not good. Okay, let's open it up, and of course it's all greasy, dirty and so on. What more can I expect here? Okay, we have the bottom of the controllers, and we can inspect something from the damages. Sometimes this okay, so sometimes this controller is damaged and the wires are damaged or something, but now it looks that it's just not working because it's something wrong with the controller. So all we can do here, we can throw this one out to the trash, and I need to wash this part a little bit. Okay, let's check what we have here for the hammering case, and it's almost no grease here, so I will just put the grease here and leave it like that. Okay, you can just put the grease like that, greasing it. Okay, and putting the hammer in. I don't know how to put it with the greasy gloves, and put some grease on the gears here, and I think that will be enough for us. Okay, closing this one, and okay, closing nice, cleaning it, just checking everything spins good. If it spins good, that's good. So now I need to wash it and get back to the filming video. Okay, washing the housings, and they look better. Okay, so I need to put some grease to the bearings and have this nice work grease here. So we'll put the armature to the vise. I think just need to clean it a little bit, and we leave the grease to get into the bearing. Okay, So now we have the nice box, and you can hear the see the spare part number here, and you can easily find this one at my store on the shop. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. We have the field, the switch, and so on. So just making sure that the grounding wire here goes to the housing, and now we can put the switch here. Here's our, I don't know how to call it, the cover. Just sprayed it with a brake cleaner. Okay, and now we need to cover the LED lights. And for this one, the LED lights wires goes down the controller with the battery terminal goes here. And now we need to check for the wires to be in the places, and I don't know why they did everything here so complicated, because I think it's more easiest way to manage all the wires here in the house, but maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so this one, the blue one, will go here, the black one. Okay, maybe now I'll be able to close it. Oh, the fucking fuck. Okay, it looks not bad except the color one is here. Okay, so now we need to make sure that the field is in a correct place, and I think it's not. It's need to be move it around a little bit, spin it maybe. Okay, maybe not. Okay, the field will be closed, the handle probably will be closed. Okay, let's try to just close it, and we will check if it snapped some wires or not. Okay, our bearing. This one looks a little dry too, so we'll put the grease, and this grease is a liquid and it just gets hardened when it's working, so that's a nice grease, honestly. Okay, let's just try for the first run, and if it will not work, then we'll do that when it will be not so hot here in my shop. Okay, it works. Of course, not run it for a long time without the cover mounted in. Just making sure that it's still running. Okay, I can see that the battery housing is not really good, so probably I will be needed to open it and put a spring or something here. Of course, this battery is worn out too, so they are both worn out. Yeah. So this is working nice, and now for the worn out parts, I know I need to think something about, maybe we can just put the plastic piece here on the housing, the tiny plastic piece, and it will lift the battery. Of course, this battery is beaten to the dead here, so but okay, we know that it's working, so now we need to just fix the housing maybe a little bit, or not. If the customer is using good batteries, it will not feel that. And let's try this battery. I think this one is a little bit better. I can check how it wobbles. It still wobbles. As you can see that this one is wobble, but it's still working. And this one, as you can see, and of course this one wobbles a lot. This one wobbles a lot, but not a lot. So that's all. We have prepared it for you. Thank you for watching. Press thumbs up and bye.